We're going up from here. It's mid to upper 80s by the time we get to tomorrow. So basically add 10 degrees to the temperature. But in terms of the feel, it doesn't get too much muggier until we get into the day on Thursday. So tomorrow's hot, yes, but Thursday probably feels even hotter with higher humidity climbing back into the region. For now, really no humidity to speak of, especially for mid-June standards. There's a lot of sunshine in place. It just may not look as bright as that satellite and radar imagery may indicate, and that's because there is some smoke aloft in the higher levels of the atmosphere. It's not too high in terms of the concentration across northern Indiana, but it certainly is there, and over the next day and a half, 2 days, likely still lingering, so expect more of a hazy look to the sky during that same period. By the time we get to Thursday, the trajectory of that smoke is more so focused over the northeast, and thus we'll start to see that haze dissipate. But high enough, or say low enough in concentration that impacts to air quality are fairly minimal. Last check, temperatures, pair of 7s in Fort Wayne, 75 Bluffton to Decatur, it's 74 in Bryan, and 72 in LaGrange. Winds a bit breezy, 15 to 25 miles an hour. Winds coming out of the west, that's pulling in that dry and pleasant air mass. And we're dry and pleasant tonight at 9 o'clock. Temperature in Fort Wayne at 71 degrees. And we'll see those numbers drop pretty quickly thanks to this lack of humidity in the air, dipping on down to the mid-50s before we bounce back up in a quick fashion tomorrow. We'll be rising well into the 80s during the day, mid to upper 80s, and wouldn't be surprised if a few spots are flirting with 90 degrees, especially into the afternoon. It's these air masses that don't have too much humidity that are able to both cool but also warm very quickly before we see the humidity start to make a return by the time we get to Thursday. So Wednesday, confident that we're dry. It's Thursday that a boundary is going to be just off towards our north. It is possible there could be an isolated shower or storm closer towards the Michigan border, but I think the better chance of that is Thursday night, Friday, and into the weekend. And if we zoom out even further, this is a 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, so this would take us from June 15th through the 19th. The signal is one that's fairly strong for above average precip, which just is signaling that we are entering a more active pattern. No big storms, but off and on chances for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, which is certainly not atypical for this time of year. 58 degrees tonight in what should be a partly cloudy, but also a little bit of a hazy night. Tomorrow, hot, 87 degrees, mostly sunny skies outside of just that haze. Upper 80s with higher humidity on Thursday. Better chance for some showers and thunderstorms closer towards the weekend, but those clouds will keep temps a little bit cooler in the 70s.